Well done.
So
Sorry,
I'm hoping to be there. Tomorrow there's practice, same time, isn't it?
yeah, it's 11 p.m. my time.
11 p.m. your time. PM, not AM.
11 p.m. my time. So it'll be your morning.
Yeah, it's always our morning. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Probably
Got
8,
you.
8 or 9
Yeah.
a.m.
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah. It's 12 hours from now, so it's about 8 a.m. Yes. So I might get in for tomorrow's one. I am I got this an imposed day off on me. I signed up for a training and the manager changed my day off and put my working day for Friday when I have signed up for the training instead of so I am forced to have a day off tomorrow.
Okay. What are you going to do with yourself?
Exactly.